Hey there, today we're checking out the Mars Villa 31-gallon deck box, a compact and versatile storage solution perfect for patios and balconies. This weatherproof and UV-resistant resin bin features a wood grain finish that resists fading, cracking, and keeps your items dry in any weather. With a spacious 31.2-gallon capacity, it's ideal for storing pool supplies, garden tools, patio cushions, and seasonal essentials. The lockable lid offers security and doubles as a sturdy side table or extra seating supporting up to 170 pounds. Built-in side handles make it easy to move around, and the tool-free assembly means you can set it up quickly without hassle. Remember to keep the lid locked during storms to protect your items and preserve durability. If you need help, customer support is ready to assist you anytime. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.